Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Monday, March 10th. Here are the 2 words for today. Number 1 is a part of an animal. They have a long. And number 2, we will walk along the street. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. The dog's tail is white. The dog's tail is white. Tail, T-A-I-L. The part of the dog's body that wags back and forth. Many animals have tails. Dogs, cats, monkeys. Now we can make a card for tail. Please write tail up here in the top left corner, T-A-I-L. Down here in the bottom left corner, A-N-I-M, 1. This means animal, level 1. Over here the number 29 out of 33. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. A, tay, tail. Word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. We will walk along the river. We will walk along the river. Along, A-L-O-N-G. You will follow and walk beside the river. Now we can make a flashcard for along. And we also say, please come along. It means come with us. Please make a card like this. Write along up here in the top left corner, A-L-O-N-G. Down here, GW1. This means grammar word, level 1. And over here the number 8 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Long, along. Game over. You did really well today. Today we learned tail. Very nice. Does a horse have a tail? Yeah, yes it does. And we will walk along the road, along the river, something that is long. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Can you say the first one? Sauce. Yes, this is anything wet and delicious that we put on food when we're eating. Number 2, be annual with an L. This means once every year. And the third one, I didn't have time or space to stay out of trouble, is the opposite of to get into trouble. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Please write your language on the other side of the card.